I went down to the Dream Cruise. I went down there a couple of days, just parked and watched the cars, man. But I didn't even see one of them Imperials.
Yeah.
And they had some of everything.
It's amazing how these people just skip them up and bring them back to life, you know?
Yeah.
You can do it remotely, huh? That's crazy. Whip it good.
$5, you get 50 tickets, so you jump up there, and then 100 tickets for $20. So they got some good raffle prices. You got a gun save up there, so hope to check that out. Anyway, sorry about that. Easy Barbecue is going to be open at 10 o'clock to serve food inside there if you're not interested in eating chili. Chili is sample really only. The main food is going to come from Easy Barbecue. So come up and check them out, grab something to eat, spend some cash, and let's help those charities.
At least it's not raining on it like the other day over there at Wickenburg, huh?
That took so long to get this car back clean. I'm like, I don't think I'll ever drive in the rain again in this car.
But it was a good car, so yeah.
It was fun. It really was. It was all right.
I love Mustangs. I've been a Mustang enthusiast since I was a kid.
Yeah, this is my 5th one, so.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, so I'd say
That's
I like
pretty
them
nice.
too.
That's
Well, I had
pretty-
2 of them that literally saved my life, 2 of them, and in an accident, you know. And so, well, it's probably a good car to
Okay.
keep going with.
Absolutely. And this one is pretty crazy, you know. The Hot Wheels, all the theme.
Yeah, I was inspired by the Hot Wheels Halloween cars they come out with. Because when I first started doing it, I'm like, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? Started going through my collection. I'm like, that would be different. I like that.
Exactly.
And I
Well,
wanted to
it is
do
a
Hot
nice-
Wheels for the get the kids, you know, excited.
Oh, yeah.
And they
Yeah.
love it. So that, I love that.
Because they associate something that is like for us grown-ups to something like is for them. And it's like, oh, I got the little Hot Wheels.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. So I
So
love it when they get
definitely.
excited.
Well, nice meeting you. My name is Jose.
Hi, Jose. I'm Laura.
I usually come and do these videos and put them on YouTube, and it's just fun. I just
Yeah.
do it for fun, you know.
It is. It is. Are you on Instagram at all?
Mostly with my Jeep. I have a Jeep we call El Grinch. It's a little green Jeep.
Oh, okay. I'm sure I've seen it. Is it here?
I have it parked because I'm
Oh.
gonna go to Nancy's show right now at Sanderson. It's all Broncos. All the Bronco show, yeah.
Oh, wow. Cool.
So I'm gonna go and tape it. And then I'm doing a daughter dance with my granddaughter, so I have to do it quick because I have to be back by 2.
Oh, how fun.
So yeah, it should be fun.
Okay, don't forget we got a 50-50 raffle also going on. It'll benefit Glendale Firefighter charities. So come up, buy your raffle tickets, and watch out for the little dog. He's gonna get run over.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
Buy some tickets, try some chili, eat some barbecue. It's gonna be a great day.